Hello, it's Ollie here at the Crafty Whisk, and I'm so grateful that you could join me today. Welcome to day 11 of our Snazzi Scrappin Advent box. Either embossing powder or washi tape, I reckon. Let's see. Wrong again. It is some ultra fine, very gold glitter. That's a huge canister. That'll actually be nice to make some Christmas baubles with. Actually, you could do heaps with that. It's so fine. I don't know if the camera's even going to pick up how fine it is. It is so fine. Alright, join me tomorrow for day 12. Please like and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss it when I bring out a new video.